Just a year ago, my weekends were all about sleeping in, binge-watching shows, and saying, "I'll start tomorrow." But my bank balance didn't care about my excuses. I was tired of being broke by the 10th of every month. So I asked myself one question. What can I do in just 2 days a week that actually pays? I didn't have special skills, no degree in business, just time, Saturdays and Sundays. I started small, offering resume writing for Ask 300 on Instagram. Got 1 order, then 2. Then I added freelance content writing, spent 2 hours each night learning on YouTube and free blogs. My first month, R1,500. Second month, R4,000. Within 4 months, I hit $10,000 month, working only on weekends. No, it wasn't magic. It was consistency. I gave up 5 hours of Netflix for 5 hours of learning, stopped saying someday, and started saying this weekend. Today, that side hustle funds my investments, courses, and peace of mind, and I still keep my full-time job. So if you think you need to quit your job to earn more, you don't. You just need to start small. Start now. Start this weekend. Drop it in the comments if you're ready to build your weekend income.